make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a deep body bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body chocolate, push it ready, yeah, in my day, the ball see kilo fat, why now more daddy.
I choke you down just like a pill. Show me the car when you turn me on.
Guys, this is why I like Sainsbury's. They have variety. I didn't come here to really buy a lot of things. I just came here for body care products.
I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying.
Guys, the last body wash I used is this Method body wash. I love the fragrance so much. Coconut and rice milk. But I don't know if it did my skin so well. So I want to try another one. Either the same brand, but the one I wanted to get of the same method is in here.
Honestly, can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind.
I think I'm just so stuck on getting a new brand I haven't used before, but I think I'll just go for good old Head and Shoulder because I'm scared of using something. I would have gotten Dove. I want to try something different.
Maybe I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want you, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need you, and it's hard to
Oh, look at the glow. Jesus, what kind of blinding glow is this? What I like the most anyway in Costa is their frappe. But it's cold and the weather is cold. I just thought to myself that maybe I should take coffee today. Wait, I think I'll take. Oh no, should I try something new? You guys, should we try something new? Let's see. Hi, can I get chocolate fudge brownie frappe?
Yeah, any coffee in there?
No.
Any cream on top?
Yes, please. Can I have it with caramel syrup?
Yeah, sure. Anything else for you?
Who you telling me you wanna be down?
Girl, show me how you jigger.
Pick it up. Why you tryna find a business when you look it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad.
The next day. Later.
Hi guys, hello, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you are definitely welcome. My name is Toslamgt. It's Toslamgt with a Tesla. Hey. So guys, I'm just about stepping out now. I'm going to Aldi to get water and rice. I'm not getting much, to be honest, but water is enough load to be honest. I'm going to be meeting up with my friend. We're just going to be like walking, taking a walk. And I have chin here for her. My mom sent this for me from Nigeria. You guys must have seen that video where I put up like a video of things I received from Nigeria. I'm going to be giving this to her.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safety.
I'm going to be using my sunscreen before
Don't ever let nobody be
the sun is sunny and I'm not even complaining.
throw it out.
I know this is little amount compared to what I see people use.
Don't let
We're going back into the house like almost immediately.
Can't be defined by your mistakes.
That's why.
You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
I forgot to use my lip gloss.
Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Moments later.
We are buying plantain. Okay, this one is good. Oh god, so which other?
These free ones now.
God forbid, what's this? This for free? You guys, this like this plantain. Is it for free? The last thing I want to buy is this.
Someone tell me
I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie. Sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head, now hard to forget.
Guys, so I'm leaving Lavender now. How do you have a good time? But why are you talking like that? Do you have a good time? I feel like a normal person. Yes or no?
I did, yes, thank you.
Anyway, the chinchin not collectible. I'm not giving it. Remember that I said that I had the go there from go. Good. Yes, remember I said I had chinchin that my mom sent that I wanted to give Lavender. She now told me that thanks for this. She didn't even say thanks for this. She said, oh sorry, no space. Oh good. So I was like, Lavender, take the chinchin. She was now like that
My bag was too small.
no space. Thanks. And I'm like, this kid's always saying, when is your mom sending chinchin? I want chinchin. Finally, there's chinchin. I gave her the chinchin. And that's what she had to say. When we were in Costa Coffee having a drink, she said, where is the chinchin, please? I don't have dinner. That'll be my dinner. Now, I'm telling her I'm not giving her the chinchin. Have I done right?
No, you haven't. Please give her.
But now you still said you don't have space for it.
Oh, what do you mean?
First, I carry it and deliver it to you, your house.
No, just.
Anyway, as I was saying, when I gave Josephine her own chinchin, she's like, thank you. But I'm giving Lavender chinchin. God, in the end, this girl doesn't deserve this chinchin. Guys, if you want chinchin, please send it. If you want chinchin, please send a DM.
You know what they actually say? Mommy Ella. That's how you're about to say it. Mommy Ella. Give me chinchin.
Please take it. Right. After I've packed 100 things inside, guys, let me show you.
Please, no, seriously. Wait. Seriously, wait.
It's not inside it. Did we buy it?
Here it is, guys. Here it is. Why do you remove the label now?
This one didn't come with label.
Hold it, please. Bless you. Oh my God. Should I have this for dinner or have burger?
Have burger. Oh. How can you eat this for dinner? Actually, it's not just make you more hungry.
I'm drunk home.
Okay, carry it. Let's go.
Please.
Rubbish.
Here you go.
Bye.
Come.
See this, so you know you want a video.
Come make my video.
What kind of human being is this? quick break, guys. It's July and most people are looking to resume in September. Have you gotten an accommodation or you're still searching for one? Search no more. Amber Student is here to cater to all your student accommodation needs. Amber Student is an online platform that provides accommodation to students in the UK. Booking an accommodation through Amber Student is fast and easy and 100% verified. There are different types of accommodation you find on Amber Student. Studio apartment, shared flats, which could either be ensuite or not. To begin booking an apartment, fill the Get Personal Assistance form so you are able to get assistance from a representative. Advantages of booking with Amber Student: bill-inclusive apartments, 24/7 security provided for residents. Different amenities are provided such as laundry facilities, gym, study area, gaming room, cinema room, and more. For students who are applying through UCAS deadlines are getting nearer, so try booking an affordable housing near your university as soon as possible so you do not have to deal with the hassle of distant locations. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be there answering your questions. Make sure you try to secure an accommodation as soon as you can, as accommodations sell out pretty fast. Thank you guys, and let's get back straight into the video. You guys, so I used the blender I showed you guys earlier to blend my onions. It came out fine. So I want to blend pepper in this my I'll show you guys how it looks. Eh? Ah. Let's see. Okay, still needs blending. This is about to be a game changer for me because I like rough blends. So I plan on doing fried rice, but I'll just I plan on preparing fried rice. But I'm just going to do like small macaroni because I feel like the rice I have left is really small. I have another rice. This guys when I got it at Aldi, but the rice I got at Aldi is normal long grain rice, while the rice I want to use for the fried rice is basmati golden cell, and I really like the rice. I recommend if you like basmati rice, but golden salad I haven't really used up that, so since I think I have like some vegetables that might remain, I'll just do small macaroni, maybe just one portion. Anyway, let's see how it goes, and I'll keep it of course.
Say for lavender.
Not for lavender. Oh, you guys, it's true. After I told Lavender bye-bye, she came back. Oh. That's all I can say. Why she came back?
You're very sick.
I don't know, but she came back. This is rosemary leaf. I'm using just to